Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle an important question that's been puzzling many of you who work with Power BI and Parquet files. If you've ever tried to connect your Parquet files to Power BI, you might have encountered some confusion about which connector to use. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down the different options available and provide a clear explanation of what each connector does, so you can make an informed decision. So, let's dive right in. When it comes to connecting Parquet files to Power BI, there are two main connectors that people often get confused about: the Parquet File Connector and the Azure Blob Storage Connector. Now, both of these connectors can be used to connect to Parquet files, but they serve different purposes. I'll call it severe and way. How glad I know that. They serve different purposes. The Parquet File Connector is specifically designed for reading Parquet files from local storage or network location. This connector allows you to directly import your Parquet file into Power BI without having to move it to a cloud-based storage solution. However, keep in mind that this connector has some limitations when it comes to handling large datasets and doesn't support incremental refresh. On the other hand, the Azure Blob Storage Connector provides more flexibility and scalability when working with Parquet files. This connector allows you to store your Parquet files in Azure Blob Storage, which can handle larger datasets and supports incremental refresh. Additionally, using this connector enables you to take advantage of Azure's advanced features, such as data lake storage and security. Now, let's talk about another popular option, the HDFS, Hadoop Distributed File System Connector. While it's true that Parquet files can be stored in HDFS, using this connector for connecting to Power BI might not be the most efficient or scalable solution. This is because the HDFS connector is primarily designed for reading data from Hadoop clusters, which may add unnecessary complexity and latency. To summarize, use the Parquet File Connector when you need to directly import your Parquet file into Power BI from local storage or network location. Use the Azure Blob Storage Connector when you want to store your Parquet files in a cloud-based storage solution that supports incremental refresh and can handle larger datasets. Avoid using the HDFS connector unless you have specific requirements for reading data from Hadoop clusters. That's it for today, folks. We hope this video helped clarify which connector is right for connecting your Parquet files to Power BI. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on Power BI and other related topics. What's next? Have you ever wondered how to optimize your data model in Power BI? Let us know in the comments if you'd like us to create a video on that topic. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you all in the next one.